What this means for this community, I mean, just the amount of business that this will bring in, the amount of visitors that will come in to this area, it's just such a great breath of fresh air for the little community of Westport, and they've not been forgotten. And this is going to be so good for this community and just their businesses, but just the community altogether to be able to come out and recreate, but also be an attraction for tourists and people that are coming through and heading to Astoria or heading to Longview. They can stop off in here and enjoy the Westport County Park.